Good morning everyone. Welcome to English class. In today's class we are learning colors. Very interesting topic. We all love colors, no? We all love to wear colorful clothes. No? Love to play with colorful toys. So do you know colors? Okay, we will learn about colors today in this class. Okay? First I will tell you one rhyme. After that we will learn spellings. The sky is blue. Why any clue? The grass is green. Have you seen? Mangoes are yellow, sweet and mellow. The jam is red, goes well with the bread. The hill is brown, my hopes way down. Okay, we find different objects in different colors. For example, in the morning daily you drink milk, no? What is the color of the milk? White. Okay, you brush your teeth. What is the color of our teeth? White. Okay, daily you comb your hair. What is the color of our hair? Black. Okay, you eat jam daily. Okay, you spread the jam on the bread. What is the color of the jam? The jam is red. Okay, next, you go to the park and play in the park on the lawn. What is the color of that lawn? The grass. The grass is green. Okay, when we see up in the sky, what is the color of the sky? The sky is blue. Oh, nice. Have you observed? Okay, next, we have some colors on the board. Okay, look at the board. We will see white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Red. R-E-D, red. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Now I will show you some balls. Identify those balls and tell me those colors. What is this? Red. Red, red, red. Apple is red. Very good. Next, what is this color? Yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Mangoes are yellow. Okay. Next, what is this color? Green. Green, green, green. The grass is green. Good. What is this color? Orange. You eat oranges, no? Orange color. Oranges are in orange color. Next. Blue. Sky is blue. What is this color? Pink. Girls like pink color, no? To wear pink frocks. Okay, pink dresses. Okay. Next. What is this color? Purple. Okay. Do you know any other colors? Okay, let me know. Learn these colors. Learn these spellings. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Max class. In this class we are going to learn a new topic, that is symbols. Greater than, lesser than, or is equal to. Okay? Today I am going to teach you about these symbols. Look here, I have some pictures here. There are more pictures here, less pictures. I have one toy also. His name is alligator. Okay? Alligator likes more. He likes to eat more food. Okay? First we have to count. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 flowers are there, and here we have 2 flowers. 1 and 2. Okay? So alligator like more. He likes to eat more. Okay? So the symbol is greater than. This is greater than. Okay? This symbol is greater than. Now next one. Here some stars are there. We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars are there. So alligator likes more, no? It turns this side. Okay? Alligator like more, no? It eat food more. So the symbol is lesser than. This symbol is called lesser than. This is greater than and this is lesser than. These stars are lesser than these stars. Okay? Now next one. Mangoes. How many mangoes are there? Shall we count? Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes are there, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. So what should we have to write? We have to write equals to. These are same, no? 5 mangoes and 5 mangoes. So we have to write this symbol. This is called equals to. Okay? This is equals to. 5 mangoes are equals to 5 mangoes. Now next one. These are trees. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3. Here we have only 2 trees. So alligator like more, no? These trees are more than these trees. So write greater than. 3 trees are greater than 2 trees. Okay? Okay? If you don't have alligator, place your hand like this and you can write greater than or lesser than. Okay? Practice well, children. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn letters start to Ana. Once again we will repeat. Okay? Look here. You have to practice neatly in your notebook. You have to say and write. First touch the line. Keep one small standing line and curve. This is letter Ta. Next, Tha. Ta se tatera. Okay? Ta se tat. Ta se tatera. Now, Da se damaru. This is Da. Da se damaru. Da se dal. Okay? This is Da se dal. Now, Ana. Ana se barn. This is Ana. Okay? Now leave this line and write in next lines. Write neatly, children. Touch the line and write. Ta. Ta se tat. Tha. Tha se tatera. Da. Da se damaru. Dha. Dha se dal. Ana. Ana se ba. Okay? Once. Look here. Ta se tat. Tat means tat. Ta se tatera. Brazier. Da se damaru. Small drum. Da से dal, sheep. Ana से barn. Barn means arrow. Okay, you all practice these letters right neatly. Thank you. హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు క్లాస్. మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు టా నుండి అనా వరకు ఒక్కొక్క అక్షరం రాయడం ఎలా అనేది నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. ఈ రోజు టా నుండి అనా వరకు ఒకేసారి రాయడం నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? లుక్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఫస్ట్ టా. టా టపాకాయ. ఏమిటిది? టా టపాకాయ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఠా. ఠా. ఠాకి కంపల్సరిగా ఈ డాట్ అనేది ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? ఠా కంఠము. నెక్స్ట్ డా. డా డమరు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఢా. ఢా. ఢాకి వర్తివ్వాలి. ఢా ఢంకా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అణ. అణ బాణము. ఓకే, చూడండి, వన్ లైన్ లీవ్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు నోట్బుక్ లో రాసేటప్పుడు కూడా వన్ లైన్ రాసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లీవ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? వన్స్ రిపీట్ చిల్డ్రన్. టా కంఠము. టా టపాకాయ. ఏమిటిది? టా టపాకాయ. ఠా కంఠము. ఠా అంటే కంఠము. డా. డా డమరు. ఢా. ఢా ఢంక. అణ బాణము. వన్స్ రిపీట్ చిల్డ్రన్. టా టపాకాయ. ఠా కంఠము. డా డమరు. ఢా ఢంక. అణ బాణము. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ లెటర్స్ అన్ని మీ నోట్బుక్ లో చక్కగా రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? నౌ పిక్చర్ రీడింగ్. మన పిక్చర్స్ చూసి ఒక్కసారి చదువుదాం. టేక్ అవుట్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. టా టపాకాయ. ఠా కంఠము. కంఠము అని చదవాలి. ఠంకము అంటున్నారు. ఠంకము రాంగ్. కంఠము. డా డమరు. ఢా ఢంక. అణ బాణము. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, రైట్ నీట్లీ ఇన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, hello, welcome to Rhymes class. In today's class we are learning a new rhyme. What is the name of the rhyme? The Man in the Moon. What is the time to getting to bed? At what time you all are sleeping? At 8:30 or 9 o'clock or 12 o'clock? Daily watching TV, playing with phones. Yeah? So, at what time, what is the correct time to getting to bed? When we see the moon. The man in the moon, he is suggesting us. Okay? Listen to the poem. The man in the moon looked out of the moon. Looked out of the moon and said, it's time for all children to think about getting to bed. Repeat one more time. The man in the moon looked out of the moon. Looked out of the moon and said, it's time for all children on the earth to think about getting to bed. Okay, you have to sleep early. Early to bed, early to rise. Okay, thank you.